2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.